Pro Engineer Complete Machining, the most robust machining package, provides you with the functionality to generate all kinds of programs for CNC machines. Their capabilities enable the manufacturing engineer to go from a 3D model directly to machine complex product geometries. Some features and benefits are: it provides the functionality to create NC sequences for 2.5 to 5 axis continuous milling, multi-axis turning, multitasking machines programming, mill turn machines programming, and 4-axis wire EDM. As well, post-processing capabilities are included to facilitate the integration with all types of CNC machine tools. It also improves the consistency between design and manufacturing by keeping the associativity between the 3D product definitions and the manufacturing deliverables. Other benefit of this solution is the capability to automatically reuse proven and standardized manufacturing NC processes. I would like to extend an invitation to know more about this best practice. In conclusion, Pro Engineer Complete Machining solution is the best alternative for NC programming and NC process automation. I encourage you to take a look at the Pro Engineer product pages on PTC.com.